Hey, what's up guys, it's Simone here, and today in this video I'm going to be doing a deep condition video. I'm going to be using the No Poo Decadence from DevaCurl and the One Condition Decadence. Also, I'm going to be drying my hair with this fabulous towel, which did go ahead and take out a lot of the water. Now, let's go ahead and get into the shower. So I'm going to start off with the No Poo Decadence, and it doesn't get sudsy, so be alarmed. Well, don't be alarmed. And I feel like I needed to use a lot to make it feel like it was spreading. Yes, I'm very heavy-handed on product. That's just who I am, you know? Take it or leave it. But I felt like it wasn't spreading everywhere, and that was what I didn't like. So I feel like I had to use a lot. You probably don't, but that's just me. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the conditioner. And I'm putting my hair in two, which I usually do, and I'm pouring a lot of this as well. This kind of spread a little bit more than the actual shampoo. So yeah, it does smell amazing though, guys. And I was able to kind of, after I used my Deadman brush, I was still able to go ahead and finger comb my hair, which is a big plus for me because sometimes I get lazy and I don't feel like holding the brush. Now I'm just going to wash it out, spend some time under the water, making sure that everything is out. Usually I would braid my hair until I get in my room, but ooh, look at my curl definition. It is there. It's apparent. So now I'm going to just dry my hair. I didn't braid my hair because I went straight into blow drying. So, well, my friend blow dried it for me. She blow dried it for me with the, on like a cooler setting. Felt so weird actually getting my hair done, but it also did feel relieving. So sometimes my arms hurt so much when I'm doing my own hair, but it felt kind of good to have someone else do my hair. I went ahead and I used my protectant before I blow dried, guys. I put it on the screen if you didn't see it before, and I'm using this flat iron that is the Red Pro. I'm not sure, but I use it for everything. I have two flat irons that I alternate between, and this one I use this one a lot as well because it gets the job done. Now with this, I was happy because all I had to do was one pass. Like, I didn't have to go ahead and do 2-3 passes like how sometimes you have to do. I mean, it could be the way my hair is, or it could just be because the blow drying helped it. I did go ahead and trim it a teeny bit off of camera. I didn't have to trim it, but I'm just trying to get rid of those little ends that you guys might see that look a little bit dry. I did a video 2 weeks ago with my deep conditioning process with Natural, and I did trim it there, so I didn't really need to trim it. I just wanted to take off a little bit of pieces. As you can see, the ends right here, those scraggly pieces, and that was it. But flying in my hair was so easy. Oh, it felt so good to like not have a weave or a wig on for like the entire day. That felt so good. Now you might notice like towards the end, when you see the end result, my hair might look a little, my edges is a little bit dry because I didn't flat iron it. Not dry, it's not as straight. I didn't want to flat iron my edges. I mean, I didn't want to put heat on my edges, so I kind of just left it in its scraggly form. So this is my end result. Actually, I kind of played around with it. I did a side part, I did a middle part, I did a ponytail, I did a bun, and I added clip-ins in, which will be a next video coming up, because sometimes, you know, you don't want to wear a weave, you just want to put clip-ins in for the day and take it out. So I showed you guys how to style your clip-ins with different hairstyles, so that'll be up. But look how neat my hair looks. It looks so good. I'm so proud of myself. Like, I need to do more deep conditions, continue oiling my hair. It's growing so much. Like, this is probably the longest my hair has been in a long time, because I always tend to get a short haircut right after it grows. I don't know why I do this to myself every time. This time I said I'm not doing it. So Simone, you want a short hairstyle? You better get a weave. Alright guys, so this is my end result. It came out really good, honestly. My hair feels so free-flowing and just so amazing. It feels really healthy and thick. So yeah, I did trim it off of camera because I didn't feel the need to go ahead and trim it on camera. You guys have seen me trim it before, like I think like 2 weeks ago. So I kind of just kept it like this. But yeah, it feels really good. The DevaCurl made my hair feel really nice and soft. That's what I loved about it. So I'm probably gonna make this my like new shampoo conditioner thing. But I've been doing deep conditions for like trying to be consistent with it. Maybe every 2 weeks. If I could do it more, that'd be amazing. But I do feel like my hair has grown. I'm probably not gonna put heat into it for another long time, but I kind of just was trying to just get it straight and do a silk press for the first time and just make it feel really, just, you know, feel normal for a little bit. So yeah, so this is my end result. All right, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.